Hi guys, so here in this video we are going to learn the basics of Java. These videos are created for beginners, so if you are new to Java, you can follow my videos and learn Java step by step. If you already know some Java programming language, you're also welcomed to skip the parts you know and directly go to the sections that you need more help with. I will try to break the videos down to about 5 to 10 minutes each. We will learn the materials first, followed by some practice problems, and of course, I will provide the solutions for these problems. If you find these videos are useful, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button to the videos. Okay, let's get started. In this video, we will talk about the basic information about Java. So Java is a class-based object-oriented programming language. Basically, we are grouping all the information such as variables and methods to classes and objects. So it is clearly structured and are reusable. We will see a really basic demo about classes in the next video. Java is a really popular programming language, and it can be used in many ways. We could use Java to develop Android apps, desktop apps, games, or web apps. Although Java is not the best language for front-end, it could be used for database connections and back-end. Of course, it could be used in many more ways. Just to give you a real example, here is a game my friend and I created by using Java. The purpose of this project is purely a practice of Java, but it works fine, and it has all the necessary components. So let's see. Yep, so this is a real game created by Java. So if you guys want this, after I finish this series of tutorials, I will create another separate tutorial step by step showing how we did this project. Before we start writing code in Java, we need to install some necessary files. One is JDK, Java Development Kit, which includes everything we need to create, compile, and run the program. The one I'm using is Amazon Corretto 11. I have attached the link in the description if you guys want to download it. The second one we need is the IDE, where we actually write our code and run our code. The IDE I'm using is IntelliJ Community Edition. It is free and I think it is nice to use. So the installation and downloading shouldn't be hard for both. You just have to download them and follow the steps to install them. If you guys have any question downloading or installing them, or want me to create a separate tutorial on how to install them, just leave a comment. And that's basically everything for the first video. In the next video, we will talk about some basic syntax about Java.